30 astonishing nature photos that showcase its breathtaking beauty. Novosibirsk, Russia, -45 degrees Celsius. This photo won the 2020 OSIN Photography Awards. It's by Tobias Baumgartner, who photographed two widowed penguins who had come to watch the Melbourne skyline to comfort each other. Spider disguised in a flower attacking a fly that is masquerading as a wasp. Ice formations in Antarctica that look like ice walls, columns, and an archway. This rare zebra foal was born with spots instead of stripes. Shots to show how the wind wove the grass to claim this wire fence. Beekeepers in northeastern France found themselves in a sticky situation after bees from their hives began producing honey in shades of blue and green. Later, they discovered that the bees were visiting a local M&M factory. A picture in 365 slices. Each slice is one day of the year. A turtle reawakening from hibernation carrying a mini world on its back. Brown bear and wolf spotted hunting together and sharing spoils over 10 days in Finland. Cute but deadly snow leopard in action. Symbiosis between spider and oryx. A tropical rock lobster, Penulirus ornatus. Close-up of a dragonfly. This is the most beautiful corn. It is a Native American variety called glass gem corn, and yes, it really does grow like that. Sea sheep are one of the few animals that use algae to photosynthesize. Trimeresurus insularis, a venomous viper native to Indonesia. A female mandarin duck with her two male bodyguards. Swimming jaguars. A baby bison. the shining eyes of gators in the Everglades. This majestic white reindeer. Stoat in Switzerland. Isle of Skye, Scotland. Turtle dove. The world's worst hide-and-seek playing animal. A once-in-a-lifetime shot of an owl. Lilac-breasted roller. In response to poaching, African elephants are evolving to be tuskless. The photo of totality in Oregon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video.